I was sent this bread proofing box with a heater to check out, so let's open it up. So it's a whole kit here. It comes in a nice little zippered bag. Little note in it and all of the instructions. So this is a dough proofer. So if you bake your own bread and you need to proof it, this is going to be nice for heating it. So I do make my own bread. I make a gluten-free bread that I've come up with a recipe for. And this is going to be great. So you can do all kinds of things with this, but let me open it up. Okay, so it looks like it's zippered here. The way it works is it kind of becomes a box. So let's zip it. Let's see how this works. Cool. I'm gonna do the other side. It's nice, it's collapsible. Okay, so handmade dough proofer. So I can just unzip part of it here. And there's my box. It comes with a rack, I'm assuming, let me see, it goes down there. Let's see what this is. Let me read all the instructions and then we'll try it. Okay, it's been cooking for an hour, and so here it is. This is gluten-free bread, and it doesn't even normally get quite this big. So this is looking great. So now I'm ready to put it in the oven. So then when I'm done with this, I can put it all back in the provided tote. It has a little carrying case so you can take it with you. If you need to store it easily. So I was really impressed. I felt like our bread rose better than it normally does. And it was like crispy on the outside and real tender on the inside. So I would recommend it. Check it out.